When it comes to protecting your home, your roof plays a critical role. It's your home's first line of defense against the elements, and one of its most important jobs is to protect your property from water damage. Whether it's rain, snow, or melting ice, water can seep into your home through a compromised roof, causing significant damage to your structure, belongings, and overall comfort. In this article, we'll discuss the essential role of Roofing Macomb in preventing water damage and how keeping your roof in excellent condition can safeguard your home for years to come. Understanding the risks of water damage. Water damage can be incredibly destructive, affecting everything from your ceiling to your walls, flooring, and insulation. It can even lead to the growth of mold and mildew, which can worsen air quality and pose health risks. Water damage often starts with small leaks that, if ignored, grow into major issues that are expensive to repair. Roof leaks. The most common cause of water damage is roof leaks. A damaged or aging roof allows water to penetrate the attic or upper levels of your home. As the water accumulates, it can soak insulation, ceilings, and walls, leading to structural damage and mold growth. Clogged gutters. When gutters become clogged with leaves, twigs, and other debris, they can no longer properly channel water away from the roof and foundation. This can cause water to back up, seep under the shingles, and enter your home. Without proper maintenance or timely roof repairs, these small issues can escalate into major problems that damage the structural integrity of your home. How Roofing Macomb prevents water damage. Roofing Macomb offers professional roofing services that address these potential water damage threats. Whether it's roof replacement, roof repair, or regular maintenance, a well-maintained roof is essential for keeping water out of your home. Timely roof inspections and maintenance. One of the key services provided by Roofing Macomb is regular roof inspections. Scheduling an annual or biannual inspection ensures that your roof is in good shape and can withstand the elements. During these inspections, roofing professionals can identify any signs of damage or wear before they become bigger issues. Identifying roof vulnerabilities. Roof inspectors will check for cracks, missing shingles, rusted flashing, and other areas where water could potentially enter. Early detection of issues like a broken seal around a chimney or damaged shingles can help prevent leaks and the subsequent water damage. Gutter cleaning and maintenance. Roof maintenance often includes gutter cleaning and ensuring that water is directed away from the roofline. When gutters are clear and functioning properly, water flows away from your home, preventing it from pooling on your roof and causing leaks. Roof repairs and replacement. Roof repairs are essential for addressing any existing damage and restoring your roof's ability to protect your home from water. Whether it's repairing damaged flashing, replacing missing shingles, or fixing leaks, Roofing Macomb provides expert services to ensure that your roof performs at its best. Replacing damaged shingles. When shingles are cracked, curled, or missing, they no longer offer effective protection from the elements. Roofing Macomb replaces damaged shingles with high-quality materials to restore your roof's integrity, preventing water from seeping into your home. Flashing repairs. Flashing is a critical component in keeping water out of your home. The metal strips around areas like chimneys, skylights, and vents help divert water away from vulnerable parts of the roof. If flashing is damaged or improperly installed, it can cause water to infiltrate your home. Roofing Macomb ensures that flashing is intact and properly sealed, protecting your home from leaks. If repairs can no longer address the problem, roof replacement might be necessary. New roofing systems are designed to be highly durable and water-resistant, offering the latest in technology to keep your home dry and safe for years. Proper installation of roof system. When installing a new roof, Roofing Macomb uses high-quality materials and follows strict installation standards to ensure that your roof is water-resistant and built to last. Whether you're choosing asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or another material, the installation process is key to preventing future water damage. Waterproofing layers. Many roofing materials come with additional waterproofing layers or underlayment that prevent water from seeping through the roof. Proper installation ensures that these layers are correctly placed to prevent leaks, even in the harshest weather conditions. Durable materials. Materials like metal roofing or high-performance shingles are designed to provide excellent resistance to rain, snow, and ice. When professionally installed, these materials create an impenetrable barrier against water, reducing the risk of leaks. Long-term benefits of a well-maintained roof. Maintaining your roof with the help of Roofing Macomb offers long-term benefits that go far beyond preventing water damage. Here's how a properly maintained roof contributes to the overall health and longevity of your home. Prevent expensive repairs. Regular inspections and timely repairs help catch small issues before they turn into costly problems. Repairing a leak early can save you thousands of dollars in repairs for water damage, mold remediation, and structural repairs. Increased home value. A well-maintained roof not only prevents water damage but also improves your home's overall value. Prospective buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home with a reliable roof, especially in areas where weather can be unpredictable. Enhanced energy efficiency. A roof that effectively keeps water out also keeps your home insulated and energy efficient. Proper installation and maintenance ensure that your home remains comfortable year-round, without unnecessary energy loss through leaks or gaps. Protecting your home from future damage. At Roofing Macomb, the team is committed to providing the best possible service to ensure your roof remains intact and resilient. By investing in regular maintenance, roof repairs, and timely replacements, you're ensuring the safety and durability of your home for years to come. A reliable roof is key to preventing water damage and ensuring your home stays safe, secure, and dry through all seasons. Conclusion. Roofing Macomb plays a vital role in protecting your home from water damage. From thorough inspections and minor repairs to full roof replacements, their services ensure that your roof is working to keep the elements at bay. Regular roof maintenance helps extend the life of your roof, saving you from costly repairs and providing peace of mind that your home is safe from water damage. Don't wait until water damage occurs. Contact Roofing Macomb today to keep your roof in top condition and your home protected.